Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Burberry model, BE1313Q, in color code 1237. It's a black, light gold color frame. On the temples we have the Burberry detailing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy, and this is the serial number. The other side of the temple is the same. These are demo lenses stamped with the Burberry logo in black. This frame is Rexable, and the style is full rim. Up here we have a Burberry gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.